Hey folks, I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you a great shortcut that you might not be aware of. I was not aware of it a few weeks back, but now that I'm aware, I think it is great to share. So this is actually a clipboard history that you can turn on in your system. This is only applicable for Windows. I'm not sure about Macintosh. So this is applicable for Windows. So what happens is basically you copy paste. So it's basically the last word that you have copied is usually the one that's pasted. So here is an option that previously whatever you have copied, it could be a password, it could be an email ID, whatever, that is actually saved on your clipboard. So that is actually very helpful and comes in very handy when you're working on something, or maybe a doc, or maybe anything, you're typing something. So I'll show you how to activate this. So for that, first what you have to do is you have to press Windows plus V. So this will open this tab, in which basically it will ask you turn on clipboard history to copy and view multiple items. Basically it will give you all the words that you have copied earlier. So we'll just turn this on. So for now it has nothing because I have nothing copied in here. So let's go to a Medium article, we'll copy some things and we'll check whether it's actually here or not. So let's go to Medium. Let's look at a random article and we'll just copy just to check this feature if it's working and how does it actually work and how it's going to be useful for you. So like I'll copy this, I'll copy control. I'm using Control C, but I'm copying it here as well so that it's visible to you. So I've copied it over here and we'll paste it in a new. This is a simple Control C, Control V, copy and paste, that's it. So now if we open on Windows plus V, we can see that something that we copied is actually saved in our history, and this is the first figure. Like suppose we copy a different word. We have copied this. Let's copy some few more words. Remember, we'll copy an entire sentence. Yeah, I've copied multiple things now. Now we'll recheck it. So Windows plus V, as soon as we did, we get all the list of items that are copied. So it's a sentence, it's a word, everything got copied here. And there's an option to directly paste. So suppose we want to paste this over here, we'll press Windows plus V again. And we'll just click on the three dots over here and we'll paste as text. So as you can see, this remember that we copied earlier, now it has been pasted on my tab. So I think this is a very helpful feature. So along with the history of clipboard, there are other features as well that you might not be aware of. So I'll show you what are the other features. So this is one thing that you can do, and once it's overdone, you can clear it all and it's now removed. There are other options as well. So such as different symbols that you can use, like arrows, euro, pound, yen, all these you can use if you are working on a document that requires those symbols. You need not copy it online. So these are the symbols that comes in handy and actually are very useful. So I think this is also something that you can use. And then there are emojis that you can use. There are emojis that you can directly use from here. Then after that, there are GIFs that you can apply, and then you can obviously search for a GIF. So suppose if I search for Rickroll, yeah, so we have word Rickroll. So that is one thing. Now also we have the emojis based on different symbols. So this is something not as vital as the previous one, but the clipboard feature is actually very helpful. So there are two ways to activate this on. So the first one being Windows plus V. Windows plus V, you click on Windows plus V, this gets activated, and since it's already turned on, you need not turn on again. But you can simply visit your settings as well. You go to settings, go to system, and then you can go down to clipboard. And this is an option, clipboard history, that is currently turned on. We can turn this off from here as well if you want. If you don't want, I mean, there's no point to it, but you can turn it off if you want to, and you can turn it on from here as well. This is the second way how to activate this setting. So yeah, that's all I wanted to share in this video. I hope you guys like the video, and I hope you find this useful. Thank you for watching my video.